Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can like and comment on templates in CapCut. So I'm just going to select the template section over here, and then I'm just going to select a template that I want to like and comment. For instance, this one, it's called The Sick Feeling. And then to like, I'm just going to hit the like button, and to comment, just select the comment button here. And then if you want to find the liked sort of video template that you liked on CapCut, just go to me, and then it's going to be under the like section of like your profile. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.